Is your Xiaomi G27i monitor not turning on, stuck on a blue screen, or failing to display the Xiaomi logo during startup? Don't worry, because in today's video, we are going to show you several troubleshooting steps that can help get your monitor working again. Whether it's a power issue, cable problem, or settings related fault, these solutions can help you identify and fix the problem. So the first thing you should do is verify that the monitor is receiving power. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and the wall outlet. If you're using a power strip or surge protector, try plugging the monitor directly into a wall socket. Also check whether the monitor's power indicator light turns on when you press the power button. If possible, test the monitor with a different power cable that is compatible with the Xiaomi G27i. Then, perform a power cycle. This is very important because a power cycle can help clear temporary hardware glitches. So I need you to turn off the monitor and unplug it from the power source. Press and hold the power button for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, wait for a minute, reconnect the power cable, and try turning the monitor back on. Check if the Xiaomi logo appears during startup. And then after that, please uncheck the video connections. Okay, so sometimes the monitor may be powered on but unable to display an image. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Inspect the cable for any visible damage and try using another cable if available. You can also test a different video input port on the monitor. If your monitor has multiple input sources, use the monitor controls to ensure the correct input source is selected. And then, you need to test with another device. Connect the Xiaomi G27i to a different computer, laptop, gaming console, or media device. If the monitor works with another device, the issue may be related to your original computer's graphics card, display settings, or video output configuration. If the monitor still does not show the Xiaomi logo on any device, continue with the next steps, which is going to be checking for physical damage. Inspect the monitor for signs of physical damage. Look for any cracked panels, liquid exposure, bent ports, maybe burn marks, or unusual odors. Also listen for clicking sounds when attempting to power on the monitor, because physical damage may indicate a hardware failure that requires professional repair. And then after that, you might want to try a factory reset. If accessible, if the monitor power is on, but occasional displays at the menu, navigate to the monitor system's menu and perform a factory reset. This can restore default settings that may be preventing proper startup or display output. Now, if none of the previous solutions work and the monitor still won't boot or display the Xiaomi logo, the issue may be related to an internal hardware component such as the power supply board, main board, or display panel. So in this case, you need to contact the Xiaomi support or visit an authorized service center for further diagnosis and repair options. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix the Xiaomi G27i monitor that won't boot up or show the Xiaomi logo. We hope one of these solutions help you get your monitor working again. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.